Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Glendale Drive, Kingston 20. Here you will find this nicely laid out 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom house for sale. Key property highlights includes ceramic tiles throughout the space for durability and elegance. It is wired for a security system and fully grilled for added security. Split unit air conditioners in all bedrooms for personalized climate control. Ceiling fans for additional ventilation and comfort. Reliable NWC water connection and the septic system. A 200-gallon water tank for backup supply. In-unit laundry room for convenience plus option to add another level. There is also open parking for easy accessibility. Make contact today to secure this reasonably priced home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 26 million or US $165,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.